Hi, I'm Bob Holloway at MarineMax in Lewisville, Texas. Got a great used trade-in Yamaha 2011 242 Limited S. S means it's got the wakeboard tower. It's got really cool blue LED lights and tweeters in the tower. The customer actually that traded it in had upgraded the sound system. It's a brand new MM100 JL audio head unit, probably the best head unit you can get in a boat. He's upgraded all the speakers to JL audio. He's added amplifiers from JL, subwoofer. The system sounds great, and all of the speakers have blue LED light rings. This boat actually only has 167 hours on it, pretty well taken care of. The front bow on the Yamaha 242 is really spacious, got a ton of storage, a ton of room up here, really plush and comfortable. Boat's been pretty well taken care of. Speed on it, it's about a 47, 48 mile an hour boat. Great for water sports. Obviously, it's got the safety of a jet. Really easy to maneuver, and it's priced right and priced to sell. So give us a call or visit MarineMax.com for more information on this boat. Thanks and have a great day.